Welcome back to brand new video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of making a traditional metal milk bucket. Let's dive into the crafting journey, starting with gathering the materials. For this bucket, we are using galvanized steel, known for its durability and rust resistance. We'll also need a welding machine, a metal rod for the handle, and some tools for cutting and shaping. Next, we cut a large sheet of galvanized steel to the required size. The length and width of the sheet depend on the size of the bucket we want to create. Using a metal cutting tool, we ensure the edges are straight and precise. Now comes one of the most critical steps in making our milk bucket, shaping the flat metal sheet into a cylindrical form. This requires precision and care to ensure the walls of the bucket will be perfectly round and smooth. First, we place the metal sheet on a rolling machine or a set of rollers. These rollers gently bend the edges of the sheet as we feed it through, gradually forming it into a round shape. It's important to control the speed and pressure to avoid any dents or imperfections in the metal. As the sheet begins to curve, we carefully monitor the alignment to ensure the edges are matching up evenly. Once the metal starts to take shape, we continue rolling until the sheet reaches the desired diameter. The cylinder should be perfectly round, with no gaps or overlaps at the seam. In some cases, we may need to manually adjust the edges, using a mallet or other tools to ensure the shape is as smooth and even as possible. The goal is to create a uniform round shape, free of sharp angles or kinks, which will be crucial for the next steps of welding and assembly. With the metal sheet fully shaped into a cylinder, we're ready to move on to the next stage, securing the edges and welding them into place. But first, let's take a moment to admire how far this simple metal sheet has come. Now, let's make the lid for our milk bucket. First, we measure the bucket's opening and cut a metal disc to fit perfectly. Next, we bend the outer edge of the disc to create a lip, ensuring the lid will sit securely on the bucket. We then attach a small handle to the center of the lid using a metal rod, making it easy to lift. After that, we smooth out any rough edges for safety and a polished finish. With the bucket assembled, it's time to clean and polish it. First, we thoroughly wash the bucket to remove any oil, dirt, or metal fragments left from the manufacturing process. We use a special cleaning solution to ensure it's completely spotless and safe for use. Once cleaned, we move on to polishing. Using a soft cloth or polishing machine, we gently buff the surface, giving the bucket a smooth, shiny finish. This step not only enhances its appearance, but also helps prevent rusting, ensuring the bucket stays durable and functional for years to come. Next, we prepare the handle. A metal rod is carefully bent into a loop shape, which will serve as the handle for carrying the bucket. Using welding tools, we attach the handle to the sides of the bucket. It's designed for comfort and strength, ensuring that the bucket is easy to carry. Now that our milk bucket is complete, it's time to add the finishing touch, branding. We carefully apply the brand logo or name, etching it onto the surface of the bucket. This ensures each bucket is easily recognizable and reflects the brand's quality. Once branded, the bucket is packed for delivery. We carefully wrap it in protective materials to prevent any damage during transit and place it into boxes